Welcome back to another episode of Dr. Tastes Good Barbecue. What I have for you today. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of this box of Prime 6 charcoal. Enjoy. Prime 6 was actually nice enough to send me this box of charcoal. The only rules are I get to test it out, tell you guys what I think about it. I plan on setting up a playlist in the near future here, so those of you who want to see all the experiments or have some Prime 6 curiosity, feel free to dive in. Now without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, let's dive right into it here. Just pop the top. Here's the inside. So it says here, 7 uses per pack, 9 pounds equals 30 pounds of regular charcoal. So if I pull these guys out here, very unique. The little hole in the center there. Looks like you have some multiple different size pieces. I'm really curious on how this burns here. It says it's a long burn time, 4+ hours. 1 pound of Prime 6 equals 3 pounds of lump. So again, has some multiple pieces here. The cool thing is also, you can break it fairly easily. So you can kind of set up for whatever you got going there. Just next up, we'll be doing a burn test. So my initial thoughts on this charcoal is just the uniqueness of it. So it's very different from a lump or a briquette charcoal. Again, I guess the only thing left to do is just really test it out, see if it works for me. Hey, if you liked the video, make sure you hit that like. I'll put a subscribe icon for you right there. We'll start a Prime 6 playlist right over there. Hey, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.